Welcome to VoroMotors. Today we're here with the Dualtron electric scooters to go over what you should do for a pre-flight checklist to ensure that you have a smooth, fun ride. Before unfolding your Dualtron, we recommend placing it over a sturdy box to avoid wheel interference. Once secured, simply rotate the stem upwards until it's nearly perpendicular to the ground. While holding the stem in this position, pull down firmly on the piece attached to the base of the stem until you hear a click, locking it into the upright position. To unfold the handlebars, find the spring mechanism located in the center and squeeze it inward. Then just let go of the spring and the mechanism will lock the handlebar into place. Repeat the process with the opposite side and then simply tighten the clamps at the end to ensure a secure fit. It is important to make sure that all the nuts and bolts on your Dualtron scooter are secure and tightened properly. However, if they are too tight, there will be no gap in between and it may make your scooter sound like it is crackling. Once the handle is locked in and the quick release lever is fastened, we're going to move on to checking the throttle. To do that, you're going to operate the accelerator lever about 2 or 3 times and simply check if it returns to the home position. In order to check your brakes and their operating condition, checking the brake force can be enough. However, if you do run into issues, here's some things you can check. Check that the brake pad located here is not worn. Check that the cable is not loose or damaged. Make sure that the bolts and attached parts are tightened, and that the disc is looking like this one here and is not damaged in any way. When checking your scooter's tire pressure, there are a few things to keep in mind. The recommended tire pressure setting of the Dualtron scooters is between 40 to 50 psi. However, there are variables with this, such as weight of the rider, terrain, weather, and road conditions, etc. So taking that into consideration, always stay within that 40 to 50 psi range. Check for any wear or punctures on the tire, and you should be good to go. First thing to keep in mind when charging your scooter is to make sure that you're using the genuine battery charger. This is to prevent any accidents or damage to your battery for your scooter. In order to charge your scooter, plug the charger into the outlet and then plug it into the charging port on your scooter. When you plug it in, you'll see a red indicator light on the charger. That means it is charging. Once the scooter is fully charged, that light will turn green. And that'll wrap up our pre-flight checklist video for the Dualtron scooters. Make sure when you get your scooter to go through all these steps to make sure that you're ready and good to go on your first flight. Thank you for watching, and if you want to find out more about your specific model, we do offer unboxing videos and make sure to watch those. Alright, enjoy your scooter.
When you get a Dualtron scooter from us, you get access to awesome benefits. You get 10% off Dualtron accessories and spare parts, a dedicated customer support team member's help whenever you need it, plus you get access to approved modification tutorials that don't void your warranty. For full details, check out our Dualtron Insider page today. Do you have any questions? Please leave them below this video or head over to one of our Facebook groups. You can find all these links in the description below. Thank you for watching.